Let's watch this. Salamat sa suporta.
Sir Benji?
Yes, maraming salamat sa inyong papunta and let's enjoy the movie.
Thank you so much po and congratulations. For sure, ibang level na naman ng fun, ng comedy at love ang mapapanood namin from you guys. So thank you so much and congratulations. Now, tawagin na natin here on stage, Inigo Pascual, Christian Bables, together with Direct Victor Villanueva. Hello, Direct, please. Batiin natin at invite natin ang lahat po to watch.
Hello everyone, thank you for coming here and I'm very thrilled to show this film to you kasi kung gusto nyo ng good vibes, manood kayo ng Drag Queen. So manood kayo tomorrow, June 24 in SM Cinemas.
Yes, thank you so much. Of course, Elijah Canlas!
Hello everybody. Thank you so much for joining us tonight sa premiere night namin. Ang gusto lang namin, you guys have a good time. So sana mag-enjoy kayo tonight. Help us spread the word about this film. We put a lot of effort and hard work into this. And happy Pride, everyone! Thank you again.
Thank you, Elijah! Of course, we have Inigo Pascual!
Happy Pride Month sa ating lahat. Siyempre gusto magpasalamat sa lahat ng dito ngayong gabi. Pinaghirapan namin itong pelikula to. Sana magustuhan nyo at sumaya lang lahat. And yun lang, spread the word and maraming salamat po.
Yes, and of course, the multi-awarded actor, Christian Bables!
Maraming salamat po. Thank you po sa pagdalo sa napakahalagang gabi po sa aming lahat. Christers, maraming salamat. I love you. Thank you everyone po sa lahat ng mga nandito. Thank you. Happy Pride!
Happy Pride and thank you so much. Palakpakan natin ulit the cast and the director of Rags to Riches! Thank you so much. We'll have a one group photo po ulit. Ayan, picture muna po tayo. At makakapasok na tayo sa cinemas. And I know everyone's excited to watch Drags to Riches. Okay po, picture po kayo. Picture. Alright. Ito po ang ating camera. Picture, Drags to Riches. Again, maraming salamat SM Mega Mall. Happy Pride mga mahal. At naway magkita-kita po tayo. Simula bukas po yan, June 24. And SM Cinemas nationwide, Drags to Riches. Eto po, maraming salamat ulit. Malakpakan natin ang cast na nakasama natin. Benji Paras, Dave Rosas, Elijah Canlas, Inigo Pascual.
Sobrang hype na ako. My left so, alam ko but I had to do
I got my X-ray done yesterday, and okay naman, lalo naman yung X-ray ko. I'm getting my MRI on Wednesday. After I checked with the ortho doctor, they said that they think it's a meniscal tear. So I have some ligaments. So malalaman namin kung kailangan ng surgery. Sana naman hindi. But no fracture, nothing with the bones. My bones are fine, thank God. Malalaman namin ng Thursday kung hindi need surgery. But I really prayed that I don't need a surgery. I'm able to walk naman. I have my knee brace on for the premiere. So, okay naman sa bless me. Mag-ingat. I'm excited. Yun mismo. Thank you. I'm so excited. I'm able to walk naman. I have my knee brace on for the premiere. So, okay naman sa bless me. Mag-ingat. I'm excited. Yun mismo. Thank you.
Yes, okay, now drops to riches. This is time. First to walk the runway, our project season 2 supreme. Danger. Of course, kasama rin ang Dragon Sisters. Nasina, Rachel, Mrs. and Kevin. Kasama rin natin dito, Panginoon ng Kabalawan, Corby Francisco, Ian Padilla, Marco Navarra, McCoy Rocks, Morgan, Reggie Maras, and Pedro Buras. Yes, Bobby pumasok to find the seat. Hey! Oh my gosh, natin rin! Si Joman! Ayan, ako sunod-sunod yung mga stars na kasama natin sa department. Kaya again guys, we are inviting you to the ball. Tracks the riches in all lessons. At ang mga riches nila doon, tawagin natin of course, Jay Gonzaga, so Bobby, so macho. Talented, very macho, and napakahusay na actor, Jay Gonzaga! Alright, natin na of course, the So, so please. Kasama rin natin ngayon, of course, Star Wars artists! Hello! Ayan, di ba? Ang Star Wars. Siyempre, kasama rin natin ngayon, Kobe Brown!